I discovered something different. A simple 15-minute paycheck routine that flipped everything around. It doesn't require complicated spreadsheets, giving up coffee, or tracking every penny. Have you ever looked at your bank account a week before payday and thought, where did all my money go? I've been there. Paycheck comes in, bills fly out, and suddenly you're scraping by, hoping nothing unexpected happens. It used to feel like I was stuck in this endless loop where I worked hard but had nothing to show for it. But then I discovered something different. A simple 15-minute paycheck routine that flipped everything around. This system has saved me thousands of dollars every year. And the best part, it doesn't require complicated spreadsheets, giving up coffee, or tracking every penny. Today, I'm going to walk you through this 3-step paycheck routine that anyone can use. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take back control of your money and actually keep more of what you earn. Before I figured this out, my money situation was messy. I was earning a decent paycheck, but the pattern never changed. Payday would hit, I'd feel rich for about 2 days, then bills drained the account, and I'd spend the rest of the month stressed and broke. I remember one moment that hit me hard. A friend asked me to go on a simple weekend trip. Nothing crazy, just gas, food, and a hotel split between us. But when I checked my balance, I had exactly $37 left. Payday was still 5 days away. I had to say no, and honestly, it crushed me. That was my wake-up call. Earning more money wasn't the answer. The problem was I didn't have a system. I was letting my paycheck control me instead of telling it where to go. The turning point. So I started digging. I read books, watched videos, but most advice felt like punishment. Track every expense, cut every luxury, live like a monk. That wasn't realistic for me. What clicked was realizing that successful people don't rely on discipline. They rely on systems. They set rules for their money before it even hits their account. That's when I built a routine so simple, it takes just 15 minutes on payday. This routine has saved me more in a year than I'd saved in the last 5 combined. But more than the money, it gave me something priceless: peace of mind. The 3-step paycheck routine. Step 1. Optimize your paycheck before you even see it. The first step is the most powerful because it happens automatically through your employer. 401k or retirement. Match. If your company offers a match, you grab it. No excuses. Missing that is like saying no to free money. Even starting small adds up. For this year, you can contribute up to $3,500, but the key is at least get the match. Health Savings Account, HSA. If you're eligible, this is a triple tax win. Money goes in tax-free, grows tax-free, and can be spent tax-free on medical costs. For this year, individuals can contribute up to $4,300, families up to $8,550. It's one of the smartest long-term moves you can make. W4 Adjustments. If you're getting big tax refunds, you're basically giving the government an interest-free loan. Use the IRS tax withholding estimator and make sure your paycheck is working for you every month. That's step 1. A quick check once or twice a year that boosts your take-home pay and builds wealth automatically. If this is making sense so far and you're already seeing how powerful it can be, take 2 seconds and hit that subscribe button. I make videos just like this to help you simplify money and actually win with your paycheck. Step 2. Automate pay yourself first. Here's where the magic happens. The moment your paycheck hits, you set up automatic transfers into separate savings accounts. Not one big account, multiple accounts, each with a name. Emergency fund, travel, car, investments. When I started, I only moved $25 per paycheck into each one. It wasn't a lot, but consistency is what builds momentum. Today, it feels effortless. Your emergency fund is priority number one. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. Once that's set, automate toward debt payoff, big purchases, or investments. The best part? Because it's automatic, you never have to think about it, and you can't spend what you never see. Step 3. Spend the rest, guilt-free. This is the part that makes the system sustainable. Once your pre-tax money is set and your savings automations run, whatever is left in your account is yours. No guilt, no stress. Bills covered, savings growing, retirement funded. The rest is your fun money. If you want to spend it on coffee, concerts, or video games, go for it. You don't need to justify it because your priorities are already handled. Instead of obsessing over every dollar, you just check one number, your checking account balance. If there's money, you can spend. If not, you wait until next payday. Simple. Adapting the system. This routine works no matter your situation. In debt becomes pay off debt first. Automate extra payments toward high-interest debt. It's like earning a guaranteed 20% return. Debt-free becomes investing. Automate money into a brokerage account, index funds, or ETFs. That's how long-term wealth builds itself. This system grows with you, adapting as your financial life changes. So let's recap the 3 steps. 1. Optimize pre-tax deductions to keep more of your money. Automate paying yourself first so your savings and goals grow on autopilot. Spend the rest guilt-free, knowing you're covered. This routine took me from living paycheck to paycheck to finally feeling in control. It's not flashy. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about a system that quietly works for you in the background, so you can focus on living your life. Here's my challenge. Try this routine with your very next paycheck. Even if you start small, the shift you'll feel is huge. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, actionable financial tips. I'll see you in the next video.